Stop overpaying for your automation infrastructure. Most people spend $50 to $100 a month just to host their workflows. Today, I'm showing you the exact setup I use at the Efficiency Lab to host a professional n8n instance on Oracle Cloud's always free tier for exactly $0 a year. We start with the foundation. Here is my Oracle Cloud dashboard in the Casablanca region. We are utilizing the always free ARM Ampere shape. With 12 gigabytes of RAM and 2 OCPUs, this machine is significantly more powerful than most entry-level paid servers, and it costs nothing to keep running 24/7. The most critical step is the network configuration. You must configure your VC and Ingress rules correctly. As you can see here, we've opened port 5678 for n8n traffic and port 443 for secure SSL encryption. Without these gates open, your server remains invisible to the internet. Inside the server, stability is king. Looking at the terminal, this Docker container has been running perfectly for 6 days straight. It proves the Oracle free tier is production ready. However, this technical path requires you to be comfortable with code and Linux commands. And here is the result. A fully operational n8n lab running real workflows from company chatbots to sentiment analysis tools. Pure automation power with zero monthly overhead. This is where you have a choice. If you love the technical challenge, follow the guide below. But if you want to learn automation visually and quickly, I recommend the easy path make.com. Make uses a visual canvas that teaches you logic as you build. Instead of writing code, you connect modules like digital Legos. It's the fastest way to master your automation without the server headache. Choose your path. You can find the n8n command list in the description or click the link to start your visual journey on make.com for free. Subscribe to the Efficiency Lab for more secrets. Stay efficient.